Okay, here's the answer video for number 4. It says, Shauna noticed that the distance from her house to the ocean, which is 40 miles, was 1/5 the distance from her house to the mountains. Ooh, this one's hurting my head already. Write and solve a division equation to find the distance from Shauna's house to her mountains. All right, so I'm going to use D for distance. Doesn't matter what you use. So I'm definitely drawing a bar diagram for this one. So D is the distance, I'm going to say, from her house to the mountains. And that's going to be D. Okay. Now, she noticed that the distance from her house to the ocean, and that's 40 miles, is 1/5 the distance from her house to the mountains. So I've got to take this house to the mountains distance and split it into 5 pieces to show 1/5. Now I'll shade 1/5. Okay, so, and that is 40 miles. So one of these fifths right here is 40 miles. So what did I just do to get my equation? Well, I took D. Remember, D is the distance from her house to the mountains. And I split it or divided it into 5 pieces. And each one of those 5 pieces is, remember down here, 40 miles. So my equation is D divided by 5 equals 40. Now, to solve it, I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. Cancel, and I get D is 40 times 5 is 200 miles. Okay, so that's it for this one. Thanks.